It's a dragster. We bracket race it, 2000 model undercover. Bought it from Tim Wilson. He's the one that built it all. It had a big block in it, and he put an LS. It's a 6.0 stock block. The only thing aftermarket on it is crank, rods, pistons, and valve springs. And everything else is GM products on it. It's on methanol. It runs off methanol, so we don't have to have an intercooler. So we added the methanol injection. It's a big tire, bracket car. We run it sometimes in the Run What You Brung. I ran it in that. It's two 68 millimeter turbos, 220 billet atomizer injectors. I brought it to a Nitrous outlet to get all new Flo Supply lines put on it, hoses, lines, all that. Once I got here, it kind of progressed into one to add the methanol injection because I've already got it run off methanol, and then the Nitrous for spooling and a burnout. Because the car is actually my girlfriend, Caitlin Lindemuth's car, so I don't drive it. All that's kind of make it easier for her to drive. The Nitrous is a two-stage. It'll work in the burnout or when she decks it get on the two-step real quick, and then she'll have an override at the finish line. The methanol injection, the Methheadz, we just added it. All the Flo Supply lines, hoses, they're all pressure hoses, they're all crimp ends. Nicest hoses on the market, the cleanest this car's ever looked. Blown away with how it turned out. Caitlin will absolutely love this car, how it turned out. It cleaned up so much stuff. Dave moved around a lot of stuff for me to make it more accessible, easier to work on, maintenance. Everything's the correct fittings, 90 straights here, and everything just flows really tight with one another. He built me an oversized catch can for the vent, the crankcase vent, and it turned out so perfect. It's the same size as a little 5-pound nitrous bottle, so she'll absolutely love the whole thing. I'm blown away with it, so I know she'll be very happy with it. I don't see us having any issues with it right out of the bat unless I've messed up on something wiring. That's all up to me. Everything that they did here is perfect. I mean, everything with hoses, all the wiring stuff's left up to me, and that's where I'll take a little bit of time, but I'll try to make sure it's all 100% right, so we don't have any technical issues when we start. The next race with it's going to be probably Thanksgiving, so I've got a few weeks to get it all done, but that's going to be at XRP. The Penningtons host a 3-day bracket race, so that's 100% going to be for sure the next event that we go to.